The art of filing is best learnt by starting with a flat-surfaced workpiece, which should be held firmly and level in a bench vise. Select a bastard file of around 300 millimeters in length and fit a file handle to the tang. Never ever use a file without a handle. Scrape off any mill scale from the workpiece using the tip of the file only. Don't try to file off mill scale, as this will dull the file teeth. When all mill scale has been removed, the filing can commence. The first stage of filing is called roughing. This is to remove large amounts of material. The file must be held firmly with both hands. Stand in a comfortable braced position, as with hacksawing. Proceed to file the metal using your arms to provide the movement and pressure on the tool. Place downward pressure only on the forward stroke. Completely release the pressure on the return stroke. On wide surfaces, a sideways slip across the work will ensure the full width is covered and assist in clearing the metal chips away from the file's teeth. Alternate the angle of approach to assist you in obtaining uniform flatness. At regular intervals, you must dislodge trapped cuttings from the file by lightly tapping the file onto a soft wooden block. Use a dry cloth to dust away the cuttings from the workpiece itself. Never use your hands to wipe the work or your file. The purpose of filing is to remove metal in a controlled way until a flat and level surface has been created to a predetermined thickness or other dimension. Flatness has to be constantly assessed using a flat-edged test piece, such as this engineer's square. To create a perfectly flat and level surface using a file takes much practice. The coordination of arm movement and the control of even downward pressure can only be achieved by actually doing the job. After the practical pause, you will learn about other files and filing techniques.